In this video I'm going to show you how to use Harry Potter spells with Siri. It's quite simple and easy, so just follow these simple steps. First, I open up Settings, scroll down a little to find Siri and search, tap on it. Here I need to enable Listen for Hey Siri feature. I toggle it on, and then I need to get through steps to set up Hey Siri. When Hey Siri is ready, tap on Done, and then you need to enable one more option. It allows Siri when locked. It enabled on my device, so now I can lock my device and say one of the spells, Hey Siri, Lumos.
Okay, I turned flashlight on.
And Siri turned my flashlight on. Next spell is Hey Siri, Knox.
Okay, I turned flashlight off.
This spell turns flashlight off. And the third spell is the Accio, followed by the name of the app you want to launch. For example, Hey Siri, Accio Snapchat. And now my Snapchat is launched. That's so funny and I hope it helps you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.